Hello dear traders, let us review market developments of the past week. Last week, US stock indices edged up while US dollar strengthened. US stock exchanges were closed on Monday due to the President's Day. The US currency has strengthened considerably on negative statistics from other countries. Japan's fourth quarter GDP fell 1.4% year-on-year, which was far below the expected 0.8% decline. In China, the January import in dollar terms slumped 18.8%, while export fell 11.2%. The positive January trade balance in Eurozone fell short of expectations. Moreover, the ECB President Mario Draghi said further monetary stimulus is likely at bank's next meeting on March 10. Mainly on this news, the US stock indices rose 1.5 to 2% on Tuesday, and the dollar went on strengthening. No significant economic data came out that day in US. US stocks continued advancing on Wednesday, mainly on the positive performance of the energy sector. Iran supported the proposal of Russia and Saudi Arabia to freeze the oil output, which pushed oil prices up 7%. Neutral housing market data came out in US and industrial production rose in January. The dollar entered a narrow sideways range where it traded till the end of the week. No important economic data came out on Thursday in US. The stock indices slipped after the world's largest retailer, Walmart, reported lower quarterly profits and revised downward its sales outlook. On Friday, the data showed US inflation rose in January. It doubled since December to 1.4% year-on-year. The core consumer price index, which excludes energy and food prices, showed a record growth since August at 0.3%. The high inflation pace in US raises the chances of Fed rate hikes. The move may increase the credit burden on the US companies and may have a negative effect on their stocks. This week will be eventful. The US Consumer Price Index for February and various indicators in Germany, including its fourth quarter GDP, will be released on Tuesday. No significant data are anticipated on Wednesday, while on Thursday, the durable goods orders will be released in US. The most significant data are expected on Friday: Japan's and Eurozone inflation, the second reading of fourth quarter US GDP, the personal consumption expenditures. The GDP may be revised downward, which may negatively affect US stocks and currency. This was all for the week. Happy trading and see you next week.